Hello children, we are on the third part of lesson 4 insects. Let's recap. All the points are important. You can recap it. Then coming to exercise, take the correct option. Insects have 6 legs. Exoskeleton is made up of chitin. The dash sheds its skin many times and become a pupa. That is caterpillar. Which of this is a useful insect? Silkworm. Which of these insects can damage to crops? Locust. Insects do not have bones like us. Insects like butterflies and bees have a coiled feeding tube. Thorax is the middle portion of an insect's body. Only the queen ants can lay eggs. Dragonflies feed on mosquitoes. We should use insecticides and pesticides to keep insects away. Coming to the true-false part, the insect's body is divided into 4 parts, that is false. Thorax bears the wings and legs of an insect body, true. An adult butterfly lays eggs on the leaves of the plants, true. A larva slowly develops into a butterfly inside the cocoon. It is false. It develops into a pupa, then from pupa it comes adult butterfly. Candles are made with beeswax, that is true. A social insect, ant, the hard outer covering on an insect's body is exoskeleton. It eats a lots of leaves and grows in size, caterpillar. These bees collect nectar from flower, worker bees. A disease caused by mosquito, malaria or dengue. The medicines which are used to reduce itching and redness of the insect's bite, calamine lotion. Match the following. Abdomen will go with back portion of an insect's body. Ant hills, colonies of ants, silverfish, destroys our cloth, beeswax, beeswax candles, insects bite, calamine lotion. Now coming to question answer part. What are insects? Name some common insects found. What are insects? Name some common insects found in our surroundings. Insects are small creatures that are found almost everywhere, like in soil, in air, on land, in water, and even on plants and animals. Some common insects found in our surroundings are ants, bees, butterflies, etc. What are the main parts of an insect's body? Draw a level diagram of an insect's body. The 3 main parts of an insect's body is head, thorax and abdomen. The diagram is there in page 45. This is the diagram. You can see body part of an insect you have to draw for answer number 2. Question number 3. What do you mean by life cycle? Draw a level diagram of the life cycle of a butterfly. The series of changes that happen to a living creature over the course of its lifetime is called life cycle. Diagram is there in page 46. This is the diagram. You can see egg, larva, caterpillar, then pupa, then adult butterfly. Name the 3 insects which are useful to us and how. The 3 insects which are useful to us are dragonflies, feed on mosquitoes that are harmful for us. Silkworms give us silk. Beetles feed on dead plants and animals to clean up the environment. 4 are there in your book. I have written any 3. So you can write any 3 of your choice. List 3 harmful insects and write how they are harmful. The 3 harmful insects are mosquitoes, bite us to suck our blood and spread diseases like dengue and malaria. Silverfish destroy our clothes. Locusts damage our crops. Similarly, you can write any 3 along with how they are harmful of your choice from the book. Next question is list any 3 preventive methods to keep insects away. It is there in page 49 from the book. Any 3 of your choice you can write. These are the few preventive measures to keep insects away. 5 points are there. Any 3 you can choose from here and write. Thank you.